Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and once again I welcome you all to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. Today's my recipe is Palak Paneer. Now in this I have given a little bit of twist to the conventional method. So it's very simple, and if you want to learn, please follow me in my kitchen. And if you're new to my channel and if you're keen on learning quick healthy recipes, then please do subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen on YouTube and do check me out on the Facebook page also by the same name. I'll see you very soon with yet another healthy and interesting recipe. Till then, keep fit and keep smiling. Thank you so very much.